Elders, how are you all? I hope all are you doing great. And today's topic is from Newton's law of motion mechanics. And today we will try to solve a question from DC Pandey Mechanics Volume 1. That is from 8.17. Example number 8.17 from Mechanics Pulley System. Here we will take a pulley, and here they have masses of 4 kg, here another mass of 6 kg, here they have a mass of 2 kg. Okay, now this pulley is massless. The mass of the pulley is approximately 0, and the mass of the pulley, the friction will be also 0, means this pulley is frictionless. Okay, so now we can find there have a tension of T1 and there have another tension of T2. There are another tension of T2. So now we can find the T1 and T2 and the acceleration. Okay. Now, how we can find the acceleration? If I will give the body as a combined body, means 4 kg and 6 kg are together and make a combined body. So we can write as A is equals to total force 100 minus 2g means 20 Newton, 6g plus 4g means 10g is equals to 100 Newton. 100 minus 20 upon में total mass is 12. A is equals to 80 by 12 meter per second square. 20 by 3. A is equals to 20 by 3 meter per second square. That is our acceleration. The acceleration will be find. Now we can find the T1. T1 is equals to, this one is the T1. So we can write the FBD of the FBD of the block, that is 2 kg block. FBD of 2 kg block, that is the 2 kg. Here there have a tension of T1, here 2g is 20 Newton. So which one is bigger? The full system will be moved acceleration in this direction, and this acceleration is downward direction. This is upward, this is downward. So T1 is more powerful than 20 Newton. T1 minus 20 is equals to MA. What is the mass? 2 kg into acceleration is 20 by 3. So T1 minus 20 is equals to 40 by 3. So you can write T1 is equals to 40 by 3 plus 20. T1 is equals to 340 plus 60. T1 is equals to 100 by 3 Newton. Is it clear to all? That is the value of T1. Now we will be move on to the value of T2. The acceleration is 20 by 3 meter per second square. This one. And now we'll be moved to this block, means the T2 6. Because of this is a constrained motion. Here there is a rope, that is the constrained motion. So their tension will be same. Here the tension will be same. Here the tension will be same. But this is another rope. So here the tension will be T2. Here the 6 Newton. Here the 6g is more bigger than T2. So you can write as 6g as a 60 Newton minus T2 is equals to 6 into 20 by 3. 3 to the 6 minus T2 is equals to 40 and minus T is equals to T2 is equals to 40 minus 60 minus T2 is equals to minus 20 and T2 is equals to 20 Newton. Is it clear to all? That is a simple example of 8.17 from our mechanics book. Writer is DC Pandey. Thank you for watching. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man. But don't travel, man. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Stay motivated.